Racing, Jesse started, we have ready, set, go. Big Hook is on the outside. Big Boss James is racing in third. My Dad Bogart, Octubre 14, while Anika's Will leads the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have ready, set, go. Well length any hop, moving upon the outside. Big Hook, Big Boss James is running by the rail third. My Dad Bogart, Octubre 14, second last, while Anika's Will is still racing in last. Down the back stretch, they travel. We have ready, set, go. Enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Big Hook in second. Big Boss James is still in third. Octubre 14 now to take fourth, and in fifth comes My Dad Bogart, while Anika's Will is still racing in last. And on the fourth turn, we have ready, set, go by Orling any hop, and in second, Big Hook. Big Boss James is running by the rail. Octubre 14 comes next, then followed by My Dad Bogart, while Anika's Will is still racing in last as they swing for home. We're ready, set, go. This time increasing its lead to about 6 lengths. Big Boss James in second. Big Hook moving upon the outside. Octubre 14, and finally ready, set, go. Big Boss James close. Octubre 14. Big Hook, Anika's Will, My Dad Bogart.
Our unofficial winner for this race 5, the favorite 3 horse, Ready, Set, Go. Mas segundo, 2, Big Boss James, 1, Octubre 14, at yung 6 natin si Big Hook. That's 3, 2, 1, 6.